So I uploaded my ID, and then they just kept on asking me. So I wait a day to Facebook to get back to me, and then we just keep on asking me to verify my ID again. But I just recently got off with one of the agent, and he told me that he's gonna raise the issue with his internal team, and to wait about 5 days, and they'll get back to me.
Awesome.
And yeah.
What you should do is when you verify your ID, screen record that process, just like how I showed you last time.
Yeah.
And after, for some reason, your verification disappears, do a screen recording showing that, hey, I verified, but now it asked me to verify again. And then you'll have those two footage. Each one should be around 30 seconds each. And then next time you talk to Facebook support, send them those two footage.
Yeah, okay. It's just, it's getting annoying, just I feel like just getting one of my relatives or friend their Facebook and just start over again, because like I'm not getting any help. It's not getting solved.
Yeah, if you want, that is definitely a viable solution.
Okay, yeah, I'll think about doing that. I'll definitely do that.
Awesome.
Can I add something to that?
Yeah.
I faced similar issue with one of my Facebook accounts. I was using a relative's account, and they were asking for my ID. After I uploaded the document, what I did is I changed the profile picture of that account so that, the AI won't recognize the face. Basically, it was a very zoomed out photo of that person. And I don't know, the minute I changed the profile picture, within an hour, it got approved. So I don't know if that worked or it was something else. So that's what you can try to.
That's a very good tip. Thank you so much for sharing that knowledge. Abraham, is your profile photo maybe hard to see, but do you have sunglasses on? Is this out?
No, it's just me just standing up, and like I think like I haven't got my face too close to the camera.
Yeah.
So I don't know. Should I...
the camera? Give that a try. Change up your profile photo to something that's near the camera.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do that then.
Because what it does is they use AI to verify your picture. They don't use a real person. So a very zoomed out and non-recognizable photo.
So
nice.
the reason why they can't really verify my ID is because my face is zoomed out and they can't recognize my face.
No, I'm saying your face should be zoomed out. The AI shouldn't be able to recognize.
Oh, okay.
So what I think is if the AI doesn't recognize it, it goes to a real person and then he can recognize it more accurately. You getting?
Okay. I just like I upload my ID. If I upload my ID, I wait for a day, and then or next day or just ask me the same thing to upload my ID again. So I just like this repetitive thing. That's the issue that I'm having.
You just upload a zoomed out picture of yours, maybe sitting on a bench far away, but still recognizable somewhat.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try that. I'll try that. Thanks.
Interesting. Yeah, Raj, what photo works better? A close-up photo or zoomed out photo for your profile picture?
The second one. Zoomed out, but yet recognizable with your document.
Interesting. Okay, yeah, that's a good tip. I haven't heard of that tip before. So change your profile photo when verifying your ID if the verification is not working.
Yeah, so what we aim for is for the AI recognition to fail and then go to manual one.
Also, so the goal is to like to go to the a real person instead of the computer.
Yeah. But the real person should be also able to recognize your picture. So keep that in mind.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Thanks.